Yeah, welcome. We are here once again. Thank you for your time you spend on my videos and for your likes. And I also appreciate every of the comments on the video. Today, I'm here to discuss with you my episode 3, which titled Parental Involvement in Children's Academic Achievement. Parental involvement in children's academic achievement. Yes, there's this old saying that said that the best legacy a parent can give to their children is education. Yes. Briefly, I would like to look into what is education. But permit me to take it from the sociological perspective. Sociologists define education as a society main gatekeeper that determine who will advance and who will left behind in the society. I so much fall in love with that definition of education. Yes, today I would like to share with us 4 relationships every parent must establish in helping their children to achieve better academic achievement. 4 relationships parents must establish in helping their children in their academic achievement. Globally, many scholars have done extensive research in this area, and the good part is that their results are corroborated. They are pointing to the same outcome, and which is research have shown that parental involvement in children's school activity is a key factor for children's academic outcome. Parental involvement in children's school activity is a key factor for children's academic outcome. Number 1, parent-school relation, which I tag as PSR. Research have shown differences in children's academic achievement between parental involvement profile. Research made us understand that children whose parents have low involvement, such students have lower academic achievement. Children whose parents have low involvement, such students have lower academic achievement. As parents, it is your responsibility to attend your children's school's events. Create time for it. As parents, it's imperative that you involve yourself with school community, as this will help you to understand the school and also understand your children's cognitive, affective, and psychomotor level. 2, parent-classroom relation, which I tag as PCR. As parents, you should get involved in your children's classroom activity. This will enable you to identify their weakness or their weaknesses. Also, you will be able to know the area that needs assistance and the area that needs improvement. You should help your children whenever they are having homework or they are studying. Not necessarily you should do the homework for them, but guide them. They need your guidance. Number 3, allow your children's invitation, which I tag as learners parent academic relation, LPAR. As parent, you should always ready to accept an invitation from your children to assist them in their schoolwork. Do not turn them away or shun them away whenever they request you or you are requested to explain schoolwork to them. Even if you don't understand the concept but try consult internet, YouTube for assistance. Number 4, teachers invitation involvement or teachers parent relationship or relation. TPR, teachers parent relation. Teachers as parents, they should also endeavor to reach out to the parents in regard to their children. Also, this will help the parent to be able to understand their children better. Parents can as well reach out to the teachers whenever there is any observation they made about their children. And this will help them, will enable the two of them to work together in helping the children. By so doing, they will create a leadway in solving these children's academic problem. So as a parent, in today's discussion, I will encourage you to establish school, parent-school relation, parent-classroom relation, learners-parent academic relation, teachers-parent academic relation. And by so doing, if you can establish this 4 relationship, you will realize that your children will perform better and brilliant in their academic achievement, and they will be able to give you a good grade that you are expecting from them. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Keep subscribing and keep liking my video. Thank you once again. Bye.